Okay, I'm gonna do a really quick tutorial on how to make one of these bracelets, okay? Super simple. Gonna start with a 19-inch piece of string. That's what I just read as standard, so that's what I've been going with, and it does work pretty well for me. If you have much smaller wrists, then you may wanna make it a little smaller, but you could cut that at the end too, so. And then next what you're gonna do, and I already did this part, is string it through a needle. Again, you don't have to use a needle. I just find that this is what's easiest for me to get all of the beads on there. I also want to show you guys, so these are the beads. I counted these out to show you that I'll be using for this bracelet. If you can see that cup, it's like 1/8 of the way full. These go like a long way. This will be enough for the whole bracelet. So just remember when you're grabbing, not to grab too many. We want everybody to get their first choice of colors. So you most definitely do not need a full cup or even a half. I would say like, maybe like I don't know, what would you say that is? Like it's even less than a quarter. So just grab sparingly. You can always go up and get more if you need to. So once you have your string and needle threaded here, you just tie it at the top. I usually tie mine 2 or 3 times to give me a nice big knot so that the beads don't fall off. So there's one, and you want to try to line those knots up. Come on. There we go. There's 2, and I'm gonna do maybe 1 or even 2 more. I just like to play it safe. I have had them where I didn't make it big enough, and as I'm stringing the beads on, they were literally like falling off the back of it. So, all right, so there's that. And then you're really just gonna start beading. So I will show you how I do a few here. You could keep them in your cup. I'll probably just do this. For, I have my mama beads in there because this is going to be a mama bracelet. I should have showed you to match this one, and I put my kiddo's initials on this one. So this one, I did do like a pattern. I did 20 beads of each color and then their initials. This one I'm doing the same color beads, but I'm just gonna put them on there and have it be like a mix. So I find that the easiest thing to do is just kind of stack them or hold a few and string them through on the needle. Also too, you don't have to really worry about where you're centering your letters, because once you tie it off, like sometimes I even do my letters all the way at the end. Once you tie it off, no one's gonna see where the beginning or the end is, if that makes sense. So, okay, I'm gonna string the rest of this and then I'll come back to show you how I tie it off.